What is an ISO image? An ISO file is an exact copy of an entire optical disc such as a CD, DVD, or Blu-ray, archived into a single file. This file, which is also sometimes referred to as an ISO image, is a smaller size duplicate of large sets of data. What does bootable mean? Any media, whether it's a hard drive, USB flash drive, CD, or DVD, is bootable if you can use it to boot your computer. In this case, we are creating portable media which boots from the USB drive or disk instead of the computer's hard drive. When installing Windows, the media you use must be bootable. Part 1. How to download ISO image file. Open the Microsoft Edge and type Get into PC. Then click the operating systems. Then search Windows 11 ISO image. Find the download button. This is downloading now. Part 2. How to create an ISO image file using Power ISO software. Insert the Windows DVD installer into the optical drive. Run Power ISO. Click on the New button on toolbar or choose the file New Data CD DVD image menu. Click on the Add button on toolbar to add files and folders. Locate the inserted Windows installer optical drive. Select all the installer files, then click Add.
To make bootable CD, burn the ISO file to a blank CD DVD disk. Choose the menu, Action, Boot, Add boot information to load a bootable image file.
Click on the Save button on toolbar or click on the File Save As menu.
Choose the location where the ISO image will be saved, the name the ISO image. Save the ISO file to standard ISO images format and in DVD format for Windows 7 and above.
Wait for the remaining time.